Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Welcome to this series with data science with Python training program. Guys, please let me know, am I audible or not? Just please let me know in the comment section, am I audible or not? I think I am audible. Please let me know, guys. Okay, thank you, Mohammed Faiz. Hello. Okay, thank you, guys. Yes, Kushal BL. Hello, Ari. So, as you know, this is a 3 days free class of our training program, this training program, Data Science with Python. And I will be your instructor. My name is Arnav Roy, and I am co-founder and Python instructor of Code, as as you know everyone. And I will be your instructor for this journey into Python and data science. Uh, okay, guys. So I don't take too much time to start our program because time is very short, you know. And so let me first uh, teach you, then I will share with you the overview of this course and everything. Okay, so just a little bit. In this course, in this whole training program, not just in 3 days free class, in this whole training program, we will start with fundamentals of Python and gradually move toward data science concept like data analysis, data visualization, and machine learning, etc. Okay, we will use libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Okay, so today I will cover for the fundamental of Python. So, what is Python and why Python for data science and Python variable data types and operators. Okay, so let's get started. So, at first, let me tell you what is Python. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. It is known for its simple and readable syntax. Okay, so what do you mean by readable syntax, sir? So readable syntax means uh, unlike other language, Java or C or C++, Python syntax is very similar to our English language, as you know, guys. Okay, yes, easy. And making it's a great choice for beginners and professional alike. Okay, so some key features of Python. So why Python is best? So it is easy to learn and use, and Python syntax is very similar to English, as I told you earlier, and it's an interpreted language. Okay, so we have two types of language. One is compiled language, and another one is interpreted language. Does anyone have any idea? what is the difference? What is the main difference between interpreted language and compiled language? If anybody know, then let me know in the comment box. So let me tell you, interpreted language means, first I will tell what is compiled language. Compiled language means our whole program, our whole code compiled at a time. Yes, Mohammed, you are right. Compiled language runs a whole code program at a time. Yes, compiled language runs the whole programmable code at a time. But in interpreted language, uh, the code run, the run line by line. Okay. In compiled language, if we found an error in line number 17, so whole program will not be run. But in interpreted language, if we found an error in line number 17, then up to line number 16, 1 to 16, the code will run. Okay, that's the difference. So definitely Python is an interpreted language and it support cross-platform. Cross-platform means it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay, and is dynamically typed. So we so no need for declare variable and its type. Like unlike Java or C, we have to declare int then variable name or string variable name or float variable name. So we don't need to declare data type. Python will automatically detect as the basis of our data and large community support. So many libraries and framework are available. Okay, for Python. So let's get started. Let me share my screen first. So at first we have to install Python. एक्चुअली पाइथन कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं मैंने बहुत बार दिखा चुका हूँ पहले वीडियो में और जितना भी है मोहम्मद अरीफ खान सबको ही पता है आई गेस तो पाइथन कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं सबको पता है अगर किसी को नहीं पता है तो बोल सकते हो मैं दिखा दूंगा और अगर किसी सबको पता है तो मैं डायरेक्ट कोड में ही जाके शुरू करूंगा ओके सो लेट्स राइट आवर फर्स्ट पाइथन प्रोग्राम आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शो हाउ टू इंस्टॉल पाइथन I show you many times. So create a new folder and let me open my VS Code. You have also known how to install VS Code as well. Okay. Yes. TY sir. What do you mean by TY? I don't know. Okay, I will not take too much time to cover basic Python. I know you everyone know the basic Python, but I have to show, I have to teach. So first create a file of Python. Like I will name the first dot py and how to print in Python. Everyone know just print and hello world. Hello world. Everyone know print hello world. Print and pass any message you want to display. Okay, put this message on square bracket. Square bracket. No, sorry, this quotation. Okay, then hit the run button. It will print. So why we use Python for data science? We can use any other language for data science, but why Python? So Python is the most popular language for data science because of its simplicity, as I told you, and rich libraries. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn will help to cover you. will help to cover you. The means it make easy. Okay, then it's great for big data. Work well with large data set. Okay, and it is used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And community here are the big community and job opportunity in Python. Okay, so I directly jump to the variables and data type of Python. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, Mohammed. Open source and free libraries. Free free library and vast libraries. Okay. So what is variable? A variable is the name to give stored in the memory, value in memory. Like if we store a integer number. So what is integer number? Integer is a numerical form, means 10, 20, 45, 78. These all numbers are known as integer. Okay, but if we put any decimal number like 45.33 or 89.001, those are known as a floating number. Okay, and if we put any letter and characters inside this quotation, like this, okay, these are known as string. Okay, so how we can declare for Java or C, we have to declare the data type first, like int a equals to 20, like this. Means I I have declared a variable. The name of the variable is a, and the type of the variable is integer. For Java, C or C++, we have to declare like this structure. Okay. But for Python, we just declare a variable name and that's value, like a equals to 20. So Python will automatically detect the data type of variable a. If we put here 20, then Python will detect the variable a data type is integer. And if we assign a equals to 20.22 like this, so Python will automatically detect the variable a's data type is floating. And if we declare like this structure, so Python will automatically detect the data structure of the variable a is string. Okay. So let me show you. First, I have to declare x equals to 10 and y equals to 20.55 and z equals to any name, like name or anything, any string. Okay. So if I print the type of this variable, like if I want to know what type of variable x is, or what type of variable y is, or what type of variable z is, so I have to write here type and x type and the variable name, and save and run the code. So here you can see it prints class int, means the variable x is integer type. Okay, and if I want to see the type of y, then just I put here type y, then save the code and hit the run button. Then you can see class float. Okay, so class float means it is floating type. Okay, and if I put here z, so it prints class str, means class string. Okay, uh, there is another type of variable or data type. It's called boolean. So boolean is known as true or false, either true or false. If I print here true assign and check the type of bool, then it's called as boolean. Okay, so these four called preliminary data types. Okay, and we have another data types called non-preliminary data types. Those are uh, those can be list, dictionary, tuple, set. I will cover you whole things. Okay, so it's just variable and data type. Next, we will show we will see operators in Python. So first we have arithmetic operators. First we have arithmetic opera- operators. Arithmetic operators. So operators, uh, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential, and floor division. Okay, so let me explain you one by one. So I have two variables, a equals to 10 and b equals to 3. Okay, if I print a plus b, what will be the output? 13. So 10 plus 3 equals to 13. If you don't believe, then check your calculator and do it. 10 plus 3. Okay, print. If I put a minus b, then what will be the output? 7. Just show the last part button. Okay, so 10 minus 3 will 7. So we have another multiplication, 1 multiplied by a multiplied by b and 30. Okay, so 10 into 3 equals to 30. Okay, then if I print, just comment out this line and print a divide b. So here you can see it prints 3.33333. So what type of data type it is? What type of data type it is? 3.333. Let me know in the comment box what type of data type it returned in this number of 13 line. Print a divided by b. 3.33. What type of data type? Let me know in the comment box. So let me tell you, this is uh, floating data type, right? So as I told you earlier, anything in a decimal number like 20.55 or anything, it's known as floating number. Any point, so it return uh, 3.333 decimal number, right? So here you can see I have integer number for A, and for B I have also integer number, right? But the output I have accept here, it's 3.33, means it's float number. Okay, but I need here output in integer, not in a float. So what I have to do, I have to print here just A and double divide B. This is known as floor division. Okay, it's known as floor division. So it's print just 3, not 3.33, not a floating number, just print a integer number. Okay, and we have also another arithmetic operator known as exponential. Print A, and exponential means double multiply and B. So exponential means basically power. A power B. A to the power B means 3 times 10. So 3 times 10 will be 1000. Okay. It's basically power. A power B. Nothing else. Now we have covered arithmetic operator, and now we have looking forward to comparison operator. Comparison operator. A power B, right? Okay. So we have different comparison operator. So let me check first. I have two variables. X, the value of x is 5. This is basically definitely an integer, and another variable y, just 10. So both are integers. So if I print x greater than y, so greater than is a comparison operator. X greater than y. So what will be the output? Anybody knows? It returns false because ax is not greater than y, because the value of ax is 5 and the value of y is 10. So you know everyone, 10 is obviously greater than 5. 5 is smaller than 10. You know, I guess. So that's why it's written false. Okay. And if I put here x smaller than y, means y greater than x, then what will be the output? It returns true. So if I put x smaller than y, then it returns true. And if I print x greater than y, it returns or it prints false. Okay. Then I here we have another operator. I have to declare another variable z, and z equals to 5. Okay. If I print x equals to z, double equals to means is equal to. Okay. And single equals to means is the assign operator. This is known as assign operator, and this known as comparison operator, equal to operator. Okay. So when we assign value right to left, then we use this single equal. And when we compare any variable with another variable or another value, then we use this double equal to. Okay, so this is known as equal to operator, and this single equal to known as assign operator. Okay, so if I print x equal to z, then it definitely print true. It's print true because x and to z value is same. Okay, now we have not equals to operator. Print uh, x not equals to z. Not equals to means not equal to. It's definitely return false because those are equals. If I put x not equals to y, then it returns true. It should return true. It return true. Okay. Then we have greater than, we have smaller, less than, and we can compare together. Like print, this is known as uh, sorry, greater than, or equal to, whether y is greater than or equal to equal with x. So if both condition are false, then it return false. If any condition will true, then the output will true. If I put here x greater than equals to z, so here you can see x and z are equals, not x greater than z, right? So the one argument will true. So it definitely returns true. Definitely returns true. So similarly, we have smaller than equal to, like this, x smaller than equal to y. So check those two condition whether x is smaller than y or equals to y. So first condition will true, x is smaller than y, and the second condition will false. So it return true. Okay. So it is the comparison operator. Okay. Okay. And we have another operator called logical operators. Okay, we have logical operators. So three logical operators. Okay, so as you know, if I put here x greater than equals to y, here you can see there are two conditions. If any condition will true, the output will true. Okay, so this operator known as, these operations actually known as OR operations. Okay, so OR operations return true if at least one condition is true. And we have another operation called AND operation. Okay, so AND operation return true if both and every condition are true. Okay, let me explain. X equals to 5, y equals to 10, and z equals to 5 as well. Same example. Okay, same example, guys. So basically, I will cover this topic very fast, this basic Python topic very fast, because uh, we have no too much time. We don't have too much time, so I will cover a little bit fast. Okay, guys. Then check in print and x greater than y and y greater than 5. So what will be the output? it returned true. Why true? Because x is smaller than 5, is smaller than y, right? So x is smaller than y and y is greater than 5. So if I put here y is greater than 8, then here you can see both conditions are true, right? Both conditions are true, so that's why it's written true. And if I print again, and first condition will true and second condition will false. So I have write here y is greater than 11. So actual value of y is 10. So 10 is not greater than 11, as you know everyone. So one condition is true and another one is false. So what will return? It returns false because it is AND operation, right? And if I put the same formula, the same thing with OR operation, with OR operation, OR means either it should be true or it should be true. So this condition is true, as you know, x less than y. But this condition is not true, right? This is the false condition. But in OR condition, uh, anyone, any condition should true, not both. Then run and it return true. If any condition is true, then it returns true. At least one condition should be true for OR operation, right? This is the difference between AND and OR. Okay. Now we have jumped to NOT operation. So NOT will do reverse the condition. Reverse the condition means NOT. Let me example. Print NOT x greater than 5. If I put here right condition, if I put here right condition, then it return false. And if I put here wrong condition, then it return true. Like if I put not x greater than 5. Okay, so here I can use 1. So the condition is false, as you know. Sorry, the condition is true. X is greater than 1. So value of x is 5. So x is greater than 1. So it should return true. But I return not. I write here not. So not true means false. It return false. So it reverse the condition. If it's return false, then not will repair as true, and if it return true, not will replace as false. Okay. So not actually do the reverse the condition. Okay. And I will explain what is assign operator as well. We have another operators called assign operator. Okay. Now, now we have covered this operators part. Now we will look forward into data structure. Okay. So let me discuss about three main important data structure in Python. One is the list, another one is tuple, and the third one is dictionary. Okay. Pratik, hi. So, so at first, I will cover list. So, what is list? A list is an ordered collection of element and enclose the bracket of square bracket. It use square bracket. Okay. So, how we can declare a list? Here you can see if I declare a integer, I just put here x equals to an integer number. If I want to declare a float variable, then just I put y equals to a floating number like 20.55 or anything in decimal. If I want to declare a string variable, then just name and equals to anything, any character, any writing in the quotation. Okay. And how we can declare a list. लिस्ट नाम से ही पता चल रहा है लिस्ट क्या है एक्चुअली लिस्ट इज एन ordered collection of element okay so if I put here numbers a variable numbers and I will store many numbers in a single variable. I want to store many number in a single variable. So how can we store? Can I store like this? 10, comma 20, comma 30. Can I store like this? No. I can store in in a list format. So how can we declare with a list using square bracket? Just put a square bracket and write anything you want, like 10, 20, comma 30, comma 45, comma 55, like that. So I can store multiple number or multiple data in a single variable using list. Okay. So if I print here number, so you can see it prints whole list. If I want to print the data type, print type and number like this type. Okay. So what will return? It will return class list because it's the list type of data. Okay. Now uh, we will look forward into list operations. So what operations can we do with the list? If I if I want to print 20, just 20, nothing else. So what should I do? Just print number and within square bracket write the index number of the element. So important things, remember this, every item in a list start with 0. Okay, so it is in 0 index, then it in 1 index, it is in second index, it is in third index, and it is in fourth index. Okay, so each and every element in a list or tuple, anything, start with the 0th index. Okay, so if I print here number 0, so it print 10. Okay, so 0th index 10. So if I want to print 20, I just put here 1, 20. So remember that not element, not any element start with index 1. It always start with 0. Okay, and let me just comment this and create a new list with string element. So I give the list name fruits. Comment down below 5 fruits name. Let me know in the comment box 5 fruits name. I put here apple, banana, and cherry. Another two, you guys let me know. Another 2 fruits name. I don't know too much fruit names. So similarly, if I print fruits, fruits 0, it should print apple. It should print apple. Okay. And now, if I want to print the last element of a list. If I want to print the first element, I should write here the zero index number. And if I want to print the last element, what should I write? So here you guys ask me, sir, write just here 2 because 0, 1, 2. But uh, if the list is not about three elements, it is 3,347 element, then how can I uh, how can I evaluate them? Right. So if I want to print the most last element of a list, just I write here -1. So it prints the last element. Okay. If I put here -2, it print second last element. Okay. So this is known as negative indexing. Okay. If I want to change the value of any element. Like here you can see apple, banana, and cherry. And I want to change the banana with another fruit name. Okay, so what should I do? Just write here fruit and the index number of I want to change the element. Like here, here in this case, I want to change banana. So banana in which index of the fruit list? 0 and 1. So banana in a 1 index. So fruit 1 and equals to new fruit name. So let me know guys, a new fruit name, mango and grape, right? Mango. So mango. So banana should replace with mango, I guess. Just print and print store. I have to comment out and print. So you can see apple, mango, and cherry. Okay, so banana will change with mango. Okay, banana, mango, cherry. Now, if I want to add new element in a list, how can I insert them? If I want to add new element, like here you can see apple, banana, and cherry. I want to insert mango, but not replacing with banana. Just I want to input mango in last element as a last element. Like I want my list like this: apple, banana, cherry, and mango. What should I do? Just I have to write fruits dot append and the element name. My case mango. So fruit dot append mango and just print fruits. Now here you can see mango is inserted in the the last element. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, and mango. Okay, so append function will append element in the last item as a last item. Okay, now if I want to insert any element between apple and banana, if I insert any element between apple and banana, then what should I do? Append function will append element, insert element uh, last of this list, the last as the last element of this list. Okay, of any list. Now, if I want to insert any element in a particular index, like index 0 or index 1, so what should I do? I have to write fruit dot insert, fruit dot insert and fruit name, any fruit name. You guys let me know. Grape. चलो grape को insert कर देते हैं. Insert. So, so first of all, I have to put the index number. So I want here in this case I want to insert grape between apple and banana. So between apple and banana, what will be the new index of the grape? So apple in 0 and banana plays in 1. Okay. So I need grape beside apple. So apple, the new list will be apple in 0th index and grape will be in 1th index, right? So fruit dot insert and 1. So 1 index, comma, item name, grape. Then just print. Here you can see grape will insert between banana and apple, then cherry, then mango. Okay. So here how we can insert any element at any index. Okay. So now we check now we check append insert. Now we will look forward into removing any element. Okay. So how can we remove? If I want to remove cherry from this list, if I want to remove cherry from this list, so just I print here fruits and dot remove and the value means element name, in my case cherry. So it will remove cherry. So here you can see apple, grape, banana, and mango. It removes cherry. Okay, and similar with append. So what append to do? Append does insert any element at the last of this list. Okay, so we have another function called pop, fruits dot pop. So what pop do? Pop will remove the last element from this list. So what is the last element? Mango. Mango is in the last element. So mango should remove with pop. So just it print apple, grape, and banana. Okay. And if I put two pop, fruit dot pop again, then what happens? So apple and grape, banana will remove. Okay. So pop remove the last element from any list. Okay. So remove removes element with the element name and pop remove from the last element from any list. Okay. So just remove them. And if I want to print the length of this list, so just print and the length and the list name fruits, it return 5. Means apple, grapes, banana, cherry, mango. There are total 5 elements. So it returns 5. The length of this list is 5. Okay. So length function will return the length of the list. Okay. Okay, Shatendra, you don't have laptop. So what should we do? You have to buy a laptop to try Python. You cannot do Python, you cannot run Python with mobile. You can run, but it's not recommended actually. Like if you run Python with your mobile phone, you cannot use libraries of it. You can perform these small operations like addition, subtraction, or list perform, but you cannot do anything with libraries if you don't have laptop. Now look forward into list slicing. Just remove this list slicing. Remove this as well. So I have list of numbers, and just one, two, three, four, five, six. Six list. Okay, this is the list. So if I want to print from one to four, from one to four just, not five, six, then what should I do? Just print the list name in the square bracket colon four. Colon four means first four element, like one, two, three, four. And if I want to print from 2 to 4, like three elements from 2 to 4. So what is the index number of 2? 1, right? So if I just put here 1, 1 is to 4. So it print from 2 to 4, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. And if I want to print like 1, 3 and 5, like step jump, 1, then 3, then 5. Skip 2, skip 4, skip 6. Then just print like this numbers and double clone and 2 like this. 2 means two step jump. So it prints 1, 3, 5 step jump. Okay. So it is basically in list slicing. Now, now move forward to tuple. Okay. Move forward into tuple. What is tuple? Tuple is like a list but immutable. So what is immutable or what is mutable? So list is mutable and tuple is immutable. So what is the basic difference between tuple and list? If you guys know, then let me know in the comment box. What is the basic difference between tuple and list? Tuple and list exactly same. You can say it's same, 80% same thing. But here is the major difference. What are the main difference? Let me know, guys. What are the major difference between list and tuple? Let me know, guys. Yes, I can update. I can update what? I can update in which data type, in which element. Yes, I cannot update. Basically, in tuple, I cannot change any value, cannot add value, cannot remove, cannot change any value like list. Otherwise, same. Just here, I put here numbers. For list, we use this parenthesis, not brackets. Okay, we use parenthesis. So if I print like this, if I print numbers and 0, so it print 1, everything same like list. I can list slicing, I can check the length. Okay, so everything like list, but cannot modify. I cannot modify like list. Like if I put here number dot append, you can see there is no function with tuple called append. There is no function called insert. There is no function called pop. There is no function called remove. Okay. Okay, so so similarly, we cannot change any value. Like if I want to change like number 0 equals to 8, like the list. Here, I can change this fruit 1 equals to mango. I want to replace the banana with mango. And then similarly, if I want to replace 1 with 8, then it return a error. Type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay. So here are the basic difference between list and tuple. So when we use tuple, when you want the fixed data. Okay. Now we will move to dictionary. So what is dictionary? What is dictionary in easy word? So डिक्शनरी बेसिकली डिक्शनरी क्या होता है? पाइथन को भूल जाओ. बेसिकली नॉर्मल डिक्शनरी क्या होता है? नॉर्मल डिक्शनरी में होता क्या है एक्चुअली? डिक्शनरी सब तो पता चल रहा है सुन के कि डिक्शनरी है. डिक्शनरी में एक्चुअली क्या होता है? नॉर्मल डिक्शनरी में तुम लोग बताओ. लेट मी नो गाइस इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. व्हाट इज अ डिक्शनरी? व्हाट इज अ नॉर्मल डिक्शनरी? Forgot Python, forgot everything. What is normal dictionary? You guys let me know. What we can use, what we can do with dictionary. Why we use dictionary? What is in the dictionary? डिक्शनरी में एक्चुअली क्या होता है? ये पहले बताओ, इसको समझना पड़ेगा. अच्छा, तुम लोग बताते रहो, तब तक मैं एक चीज चीज बता देता हूँ. इफ यू like this video or like this course, okay, just it's for one day, so we have another 2 days more. Okay, so this course is data science with Python. So today we will cover the basic Python, and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow we'll cover like data science libraries and dive into data science. So if you enjoy this 3 days video, then you can join our course. Okay, so how you can join our course? Just go to your Google Chrome or any other browser and go to codexintern.in. Okay, just write codexintern.in, or you can check the description of this video. Okay, I have provided the link, and give here training program. Go this training program section. Okay, go to training program. Then here you can see our training programs. Here you can see data science with Python. We have another training program like Monstack development, MySQL, front-end development, back-end development, and React Native is coming soon. It's not available yet. Okay, so if you want to join, if you uh, if you want to join, and if you enjoy this video, then you can join just 199 for 2 month course. Okay, so what you will cover, the course will start from 15th May 2025, each course. Okay, so if you want to join, then go to this brochure section, then click this brochure. You can you can see here the our whole brochure, what we can cover in this 2 month course. Okay, first of all basic Python जो हम आज पढ़ रहे हैं. Basically we have covered till now basic Python. Then data handling सीखेंगे. We will learn data handling. So this session introduction to library like NumPy, Pandas for data manipulation and analyze data, handling missing value, grouping, merging, everything. Okay, now then उसके बाद सीखेंगे क्या, data cleaning. In this section, focus on the cleaning of data. After collecting the data, we have to cleaning the data first. Okay, एकदम basic से. Okay, so you will learn from most basic to advanced. Then data visualization. So how can we visualize our data, our big data in the graphical form? Okay, then EDF and API. Okay, EDF means exploratory data analysis and API means features engineering. Okay, so how can we collect the data? How can we select features? How can we describe the statistics, correlation, everything. Then we will dive into machine learning. Okay, so this section introduce supervised and unsupervised learning algorithm, including linear regression, logistic regression, k-nearest neighbor, clustering, support vector machine, everything. Then last we do projects, okay, projects and model deployment. Okay, so we will make a project with the data science, with machine learning or data science, and after training our model, we will deploy our model. Okay, so this is the our whole course brochure. This course is for 2 months. If you want to buy, you can buy from here. Just 199, just 200 rupees, guys. Okay, just for 200 rupees, everything will cover. And if you just click here, and you can see here overview. Okay, and most interesting part is this is not actually a uh, pre-recorded video, guys. Okay, you can watch in our. We will conduct class in Google Classroom. Okay, so हर class Google Classroom में live होगा, live doubt solving, live question answer, everything. Okay, so so actually this is our course, Data Science with Python. If you want to buy, you can definitely buy. You are welcome. And you can also buy this if you want to, if you are interested in any other domains, you can buy. Okay, now let's continue. At at first, you look my teaching first, then purchase. Huh. I said, what is the difference? What is the dictionary actually? What is the main purpose of dictionary? So, to find meaning of what exactly? We have two uh, two element in dictionary, right? We have two element in dictionary. One is key and another one is value. So a dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pair. Okay, like in dictionary, huh, to find meaning of what? Like I have a dictionary called dict, dict, and we have declared this curly braces. Okay, like this structure. Name. What will be the name? Anything. Name John. Then comma. Then I have another key called age. And the value of age is 90. And we have another course. Course. Courses Python. Okay, so this is the structure of a dictionary. Okay, so if I want to print name, here is the student dictionary. You can see here is the dictionary of a student. Okay, the name of the student is John. The age of the student is 19, and the course of the student is Python. So these are key keys. Okay, so these are keys, and these right hand side elements are value. Okay, the value of name is John, like dictionary. Okay, तो डिक्शनरी में क्या होता है एक्चुअली? हाँ, लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट, लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट इन जावास्क्रिप्ट. सो डिक्शनरी में क्या होता है? एक हमारा लेफ्ट में कुछ चीज होता है और उसका मीनिंग राइट साइड में लिखा होता है इस तरह से, लाइक यहाँ पे है नेम, एंड उसके यहाँ पे है उसका वैल्यू, देन उसके यहाँ पे है एज, उसके बगल में है उसका वैल्यू, लाइक डिक्शनरी, लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट इन जावास्क्रिप्ट. ओके, सिमिलर टू ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, then if I want to access any value of a dictionary with this key name, then just I print our dictionary name and the key name. Here I want to print the name. Name gives value. Okay, here you can see it prints John. Okay, if I write here age, it prints 19. Okay, uh, if I want, then I can add new key value pair. Okay, if I want to add here city, so I can add city. Like I can change the name of the dict in student, and just right here student, and the new key name can be city, and the value equals to like any city name, like Kolkata. Okay, then print the dictionary student. Then you can see it print with new value. Name John, age 19, course Python, and city Kolkata. Okay. Similar to this, you can change value. You can change value like this. Student and existing any key name like age, and I would replace this 19 with 20. Just put here 20 and print. You can see name John and age will be 20. Okay. So you can remove key value pair with student dot pop and key name. I want to remove course. I want to remove the course. Okay. Let remove course. Name, age, and city will remain. Okay. So I don't want to remove. If I want to get all keys, then what should I write? Print student dot keys. Student dot keys. So keys and this parenthesis, because this is the function. It returns all keys present in this student dictionary, like name, age, course, and city. Similarly, if I want to print every value, then what should I write? You guys know. What should I write? Student dot values. Right. So here you can see it prints every value present in my dictionary. John 20, Python, and Kolkata. And I can check key the does a key exist in the dictionary or not. Like this. Print uh, any key like age in student. Age in student. Print age in student. If present, then it return true. It return true. If it's not present, like if I print here, write here any key name like date of joining. Date of joining in student. Print date of joining in student. So it returns false because it's not present in the student dictionary. Okay. Yes, you can check out the training program from the given link and the description. Okay, guys, you can check the description box. Okay, guys. So if I have nested dictionary like student equals to like this, student equals to S1, S1. So this is the key, right? The key value pair. So value can be anything. Value can be a string, value can be integer, value can be floating, anything. Okay. So value can be another dictionary. Okay. So a dictionary's value can be another dictionary. Like this. Like this. The value of this S1 key, this is a dictionary. Okay. This is a dictionary and the dictionary's key name is S1 and S1 value will another dictionary. Another dictionary with name and with key name. The name of the key is uh, John and another key name is age. Age is 90. Then another key of this main student dictionary. The key name is S2. Then the value of S2 will be another dictionary called key name. Name will be Alice and his age is 30. Okay. So this is known as nested dictionary. Now if I print here student dictionary, you can see it print the whole dictionary. If I want to print just S1, just S1, so student S1, okay, student S1, just remove this. Then you can see the first student details. The S1 value, the S1 keys value will print name John and age 19. And similarly, if I print here, right here, student.s2, and it return the name dot alias and age 30. Okay. Now, if I want to print the student in student dictionaries, first student's name value. Okay. So I want to print S1 keys, name keys value, like John. Okay. I want to print the John. How can I print this? How can I print this? Print like this. Print student S1, then name like this. Okay. Just try to remove this for better experience. And here you can see it print John. Similarly, if I want to print the student S2's age, like 30, if I want to print 30, then just put here S2 and key age 30. Okay. So this is known as nested dictionary. Okay. It is known as the nested dictionary. So today we have covered till now the basic Python. What is Python? What are the data types in Python? What are the operators? what are the different types of arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operators, then our non-preliminary data type like list, tuple, and dictionary, also nested dictionary. Okay, so today I'm not going to teach anymore. Let's continue tomorrow at 7 p.m. same time. Okay, so tomorrow we will cover loops, if else loop, and if possible, then some data science libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Okay, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video actually. And after completing this 3 days training program, you can purchase. Okay, you can purchase our course from here, codexcentral.training. So so I have give this link in the description box. Okay, so you can join, you can enroll the full course of this. So you can visit and download the brochure, check the brochure. You can check every brochure. Okay, guys, you can check every course brochure, and if you like and if you want to join, so you can definitely join, guys. Okay, okay, let's see you guys tomorrow. Certificate link, which certificate? This is actually not certificate, this is a training program. Okay, so if you join our training program and if you complete the whole training program, 2 months training program, then you can grab your certificate. You can achieve your certificate. Okay, this is the 3 day demo class of this training program course. Okay, so you cannot get certificate from this 3 days class. Okay, Mohammed. So now आज का क्लास यहाँ पे ही एंड कर देते हैं, और कल इसी टाइम में 7 बजे से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में, इसको ही कंटिन्यू रखेंगे. So guys, if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer, guys. And you can check the group description for more details of this course, and you can check the brochure as well. If you have if you have any question regarding this course or regarding I have covered till now, you can ask me, guys. You can ask me in the comment section. You can give us a feedback with this promptly. Okay, if you are interested or not, you can give a feedback with this link, guys. First, first go to our page and click this brochure. Check our brochure. If if you are interested, then fill this form. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And I guess nobody have any doubt or question. So if you have no doubt, then I will end this class right here. And not anything else, guys. Let's end this class now. And and if you have any question and any doubt, then you can ask tomorrow as well. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this stream. Good night, everyone. Thank you for joining our class. Okay, goodbye, everyone.